My tip for you today is that you need to have an SSL installed on your website. What is an SSL? It's a site security license that encrypts the communication in and out of your website. In the olden days, and I say olden like it's really old, but not really. In fact, just a few years ago, SSLs were commonly used on high traffic sites or sites that required sensitive information like e-commerce sites where people would process credit card information. But in today's world, this year, 2019, it is considered best practice to have an SSL installed on every site, even if it's just a personal blog. The easiest way to know if you have an SSL already functioning on your website is in the URL. It'll be HTTPS. That S stands for the secure portion of the website, right? So super easy. Also, now Google is flagging websites if they're secure or not. If it's not secure, when people search and your website shows up in the results, Google's going to say this is a non-secure website. That could be a problem. It could be a very big deterrent for people who are visiting your site. They want their information that they might share with you secure and encrypted. Are SSLs free? Do you have to pay for them? Well, that truly depends on your hosting company. A lot of hosting companies are doing their effort to secure the internet and are providing free, simple SSLs. Super nice. All you have to do is enable them and then update your website to reflect that it is now secure using an SSL. If it's not available with your hosting company, they most certainly do allow you to pay for it. And how much you pay for it will, of course, depend on your hosting company. So if you don't want to pay for it, consider switching to a different host that offers it for free. Or go ahead and sign up right now and enlist the help of tech support to make sure that it is set up correctly and that your website is now reflecting that HTTPS in the URL. Hope this has helped you guys. This is my pro tip for the week. If you have questions, I'd love to talk to you more about it. Otherwise, I'll see you around.